The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you remember one video where they happened the other day between a pastor and a Rasta man when them said that the pastor kicked the Rasta. Basically them fight, alright? Well, would you believe it that there is a song? Them do a song about it. And just before me play the song, I'm gonna make sure I play the video so that's for safe and really remember what I talk about. Alright? So take a look, just a little glimpse on the video first. Look at the video. Keep your position, demon. That's the video I talk about, right? If you recall, you remember a video of when time some girl that fling stone off of them one another. I see in place that they actually the same stretch it happened on. You see me? Yeah, if you look closely, you will realize it happened on the same stretch. Anyways, there is now a song that is going on around, you see me? Quick and fast. I mean quick. And this song I take over the place quick and fast. So I'm gonna take a little listen to the song right about now. It is said that the name of the title of the song is Hold Your Position, Satan. That's what it said it is named. But anyways, I'm going to play the song so that you can have an idea. So listen and observe. Me get it from missing pastor get up and him a preach sermon. Walk up and down and him a go Satan. Him say Satan, hold your position. Satan, hold your position. Well, me never see the devil, but this Rasta man keep walking behind this pastor man, saying a bag of things and pointing him on. I never know the pastor hold Jackie Chan. Well, I so everything gone wrong. Well, the pastor decided to preach the sermon. Satan, hold your position. Alright, viewers and subscribers, I have a feeling like a lot of people is going to listen to this song, you know, due to the fact that this song is built around an issue that is controversial out there. It's about a Rasta versus a pastor. You know, it's like religions clash, you know, and it's the kind of religions that meet. So, you know, that's the thing I think that makes it so controversial. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the title that I see for the song, or the title that I see for the song that I listen to, it says, Hold Your Position, Satan. That's the title that I see for the song. If it's different for other places, I don't know, but that's the title that I see for the song that I listen to. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, don't forget to check the comment sections, for sometimes my viewers and subscribers will leave comments that's very informative, as well as I myself will leave some comments in the comment section that will keep you up to date to each video that I present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And don't forget to let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, viewers and subscribers? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?